All right, so in this video, I want to talk really briefly about clout jacking, what that is, and how you can use this strategy to pretty much blow up any YouTube automation or just YouTube channel in general. The reason this works so well, especially when you're a newer channel, is because you're using other people's names that already have clout, already have an audience, and already have interest to drive traffic, interest, and views to your videos and your channel. So, for example, if you were in the e-commerce space making an e-commerce video for your e-commerce channel, and you created a video on 5 tips that I thought I would whatever, but you don't have an audience yet, obviously that's not going to get as many views because nobody knows who you are and there's no reason that they want to know the tips that you specifically have, right? But if you pick one of the top e-commerce people in the industry and you say X person's best 5 tips to scale your Shopify store fast, that's going to have a lot more legs, it's going to have a lot more interest, and it's going to work a lot better for you, especially when you're brand new. So 2 examples of this. As you can see here, this person right here has 17.8 thousand subscribers, which isn't that much in the grand scheme of things. They dropped a video called I Tried Andrew Tate's Hustlers University 4.0 and this happened. Now, why did this get so many views? It got 1.5 million views a month ago, right? It was just uploaded a month ago, already got 1.5 million views. The reason for that was because he used Andrew Tate's name in here. There's a lot of interest and intrigue around Andrew Tate's name and Hustlers University. And so obviously this did well for that reason. This is an example of clout jacking, okay? Here's another example right here. He did the same thing 11 days ago. I bought Iman Gadzhi's $3,000 SMA course and tried it. Another example right here. This person, 1.77K. That's not that many subscribers. They probably just monetized this channel. They just dropped this video 12 days ago, and it got 1.3 million views 12 days ago on a under 2,000 sub channel, which is mind-blowing, right? Why did this do so well? They used Joe Rogan's name and Andrew Huberman's name, both prominent people that already have intrigue, interest, and will drive views to this potential video. And that's the way that they titled the video and the content that they made, right? It's clout jacking. Now, you don't have to just do this with like famous people. You can do this in any industry. So for example, if you were doing a real estate channel, you could pick one of the top real estate people or one of the top real estate gurus on YouTube that already has a big audience. For example, Grant Cardone talks a lot about real estate. You could make a video on 5 things that Grant Cardone doesn't want you to know about buying rental properties. Why is that going to have a better chance to succeed than something that you would make specifically yourself or something that is off topic or off base with that? Is because you're using Grant Cardone's name, who already has interest. And so it doesn't always work 100%. Like just because you put somebody's name in your title or in your video topic doesn't always guarantee you that you're going to get a video that blows up with exponential views. But the more you do this, the better chance you'll have to get one that hits. And all you really need for this, as you can see here, is 1 or 2 videos that does half decent and your channel can be monetized like that. Another perfect example of this. So let's say you're in the business space. You could say 5 things that Alex Hormozy, who's obviously a business YouTuber now, 5 things that Alex Hormozy would tell his 20-year-old self if he was starting over in business. If you were in the baseball niche, you could pick baseball franchises like the Yankees, for example, that already have a lot of interest. If you were making videos on American football, then you might want to make a video on the top 10 Dallas Cowboys players that, whatever, because that's a popular football franchise. So you get the picture. This is clout jacking, and this is how you can use video topics strategically in your niche to get more views and more intrigue on your videos. And again, I want to hit home that this is not a magic pill. Just because you put somebody's name in your video does not mean that you're going to get millions and millions of views, but you're going to have a much better chance, for example, if you create 10 videos that are clout jacking videos on topics like this, they're going to do significantly better, each with their own potential chance to blow up and take your channel to the next level and get it monetized very quickly, as opposed to if you did 10 random videos that did not do this. So this is an extremely valuable thing that you can use, especially as a new channel. Doesn't matter if you're just creating a YouTube channel yourself for a personal brand or a YouTube automation channel. This is an effective strategy. Test it out.